bang masasabi ko sa kapatid ko? Madami. Hindi siya nakatulog. Normal naman ata yun. Yung kapatid ko, siya nag-organize ng wedding, so kung palpak, siya yun. Kung tagumpay naman, siya din yun.
Andiyan na yata si Isa.
Asan?
Ayun, car sa labas. Kaya hindi ako tumitingin dyan. Nagpapanik.
First and foremost, I would like to greet and congratulate our couple today. First, I would like you to remember this, Garrett and Sandra, that you are here, Garrett, because you love Sandra. And Sandra, you are here because you love Garrett.
Nung una kitang makita, ang tingin ko sa'yo noon, you are out of my league. Ikaw yung babaeng low-key lang, pero alam mong may class. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, papansinin kaya ako nito? Pero sa totoo lang, ang nasa isip ko nun, what's there to life if you won't take your chances? Thank you, thank you. Hello po, thank you, thank you. Thank you po, thank you po. Thank you po for coming from Australia.
Di ba maganda sa guy yung meron siyang plans for the future? Ganun, parang alam niya anong gusto niyang gawin. Very driven siyang tao. Tapos yun, nakita ko na very family-oriented siyang tao, which is isa sa mga non-negotiables ko. Kaya napa-oo talaga.
Ito, para kay Nox, ang pinaka-pogi. Wala na.
Sus ko po! Sa kasal lang pala ni Gary mag... Next post. Mas Banjo. Yeah.
I don't feel any pressure right now. Charot! Excited na ako! Daddy! Ang ganda. Thank you, di niyo ako tinauban. Oh, girls, ready? Attention! Meron kaming pouch.
Wala pa akong ganito. Kaya tinanong ko ano yung meron na ako.
Yes.
Naramdaman ko na she cares for me. Basta, alam ko lang na siya na.
Anak, ang maipapayo ko lang sa iyo ay magbigayan, respeto, at pagmamahalan sa bawat isa.
1 plus 1 equals 2 pa rin kasi when you get married, you become 1. Then 1 plus 1 equals 2. Because you and him are one already. So God must be there all the time.
Garrett and Sandra, you are in front of the altar of God to make a promise to be faithful to each other for the rest of your life. So, it is true that our relationship will last not because it is destined to last. It will last because of two people who choose to keep it, to fight for it, and work for it.
Thank you for being my safe space, especially when I was at my lowest. Love, know that I'm always rooting for you. I promise to grow old with you, laugh with you, and be with you through all the seasons.
I love you, love. Dami na nangyari mo. May mga nawala, may mga nadagdag, may mga nagbago, may mga hindi nagbago. May mga pagsubok na nalampasan. Meron din namang dala pa rin natin hanggang ngayon. Exciting na nakakakaba, pero with God, makakaya nating harapin ang kahit na ano.
A love like this. You and me, baby, loving like crazy, praying that it never ends. Yeah, you and me, darling, we've really got something the world just can't understand. Yeah, it's you and me, falling in love every day till we're both holding gray. Yeah, it's you and me, as long as we live, I'll never know a love like this. As life goes on, my love for you will still be strong. And even when it rains,
I promise to love you without reservation or conditions. Marami pang mangyayari, pero this time, magkasama tayo.
You're my best friend, my prayer warrior, my pig out body, my other half. And today, I give you all of me.